fast. Watch this guy's car right here. He's just waiting for an unsuspecting victim. Dude, that thing is insanely fast. He goes slow over the whoops and then he just nails it. It says like bike man on the side. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off. Hopefully I can get it on before he takes off. Oh, here he goes. Watch this. Watch this. Here's another one. Look at these guys. Two of them says bike man. Show this. Check out how cool this looks when everybody in your group has all the same American flag. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look how cool that looks. And you can find that group really easily. Sweet. Here's the Brenthel trucks, or Brenthel cars. I sandblasted these. I do sandblasting for Brenthel, and I was just dying to see what these things look at. Check them out. They got 4 doors. These are the doors here. Looks real sick. I love it. This is a 4-seater. It's got the big old cup holders. Pretty cool interior. Oh, I love the dash. Very nice. Beefs on these things. Look at those beefs. There it is, right there. Brenthel Sandcars. And then this is the 2-seater. I did both of these at my house. And this is the 2-seater here. Looks really bitchin'. Love that Danzio motor in that.
It's only like 11, 12 hours.
Looks pretty nice. Look at the front shot of these things. Little front view of those things. Look at how wide that thing is. Bad machine. I think he's gonna take off right now. I love the look of these. Something new. Like to see something new. These guys they're from Utah. Renegade Racing. Go check them out. Renegade. Like you got air over the top. Oh, there we go. Now we got the little guys. They're going to be driving next year. You driving it? Oh, come on, man.
It's just the
You got to get your dad to let you drive that. Oh, look at that. That looks real sweet. Love that camo look. He's got the bitchin' flag right there. Old Glory. He's got a real whip. Look at this guy. That's a real whip. These little short little things, there he goes. Sweet. Yeah, these short little whips just ain't good. This is what you need. Mine are even too short. Look at this thing. Looks sweet. Weddle. I don't know nothing about these wells, but there's the numbers if you wanted to know. Looks nice. And look at these doors. How do you open the door? Hey, can I open the door?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Do whatever I want. I want to do a wheelie in this. That's what I want to do. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Dude, let's get the doors open. This is like a bat car. Look at that. Wow. That looks sick. Love it. Man, look at all the room back here. Dude, I could lay down back here. I could sleep back here. There's enough room. I said I could lay down back here. Oh my gosh. He's got an extra belt. Look at, you even got to carry an extra belt in a sand car. But I love the doors. That goes good for my bad knee. There you go. We got top speed anywhere here. That's what I always like to see. Engine oil. Very nice. Brenthel Sand 4, #1. Yep. I had both these things been to my house upside down. They've already been on the roof, but that was at my house. I don't know if I have pictures of that or not, but there it is. Look how awesome that looks with those doors. Nice family mobile. Look at this suspension. Look at these. These are sick. Look at it, it's like an I-beam, man. Man, that is some strong stuff right there. Wow. Wow. This guy's turning rack. What do we got? Hydraulic steering. Look at this. He's got all this pan here. I like that. I never get to see these things when they're done. I only get to see the raw chassis on these cars. I have to go to like the shows and stuff to see the Brenthel race trucks, just to see the finished product. Look at these door hinges. They even made their own door hinges. Pretty nice. Absolutely love it. All right, let's close these doors back. We're out here at the hill today. Dang, those shut better than the doors on my Can-Am. We're out here at the hill today. They're ripping. Really cool guy. If you see him around, stop by and say hi. Real nice guy. All right. All right, they're pulling out. Yeah. Dusted his wife out. Holy moly. That's his wife right there behind him. Just absolutely buried her. Cool people. He did say he'd give me a ride in that. He said I'm gonna hook up later, he's gonna give me a ride. That would be awesome. Just bent a wrench. This is exactly what I want. Look at this. This is how I want to replace all the little connections with a wrench. Nice. That is approved. Approved right there. I love it.
It's a good time.
So I have these, but they're like fully raced out. They're like really
boxed in.
They're really boxed in.
That's stronger. It's good.
I mean, and it kind of looks
This is
like
good enough for here, but
I could use those.
Yeah.
And then just get all this other stuff.
Yep.
The transaxle, is that what that's called? I gotta learn more about it.
yep. No, they're a good time. Like I said, you can get away with this. Everything's stock.
Dude, I absolutely love it. And he lives in Arizona.
Yep. What I missed?
You saved it?
Oh,
I love it. I have one of these in my backyard, and I'm just...
Oh, really?
Well, I have like, the seats are plastic. Is there plastic under there?
I think it's fiberglass. It's a fiberglass tub.
Yeah, I have I have both the seats. I got a cool tank. Like, 'cause this is cool to have this. No steering wheel, but I can get that at Pet Boys. They still have Pet Boys? I think it's gone. And I got some parts up here. I don't think I have a shifter, but I like this. Look at this.
Yep.
This is
classy.
custom right here. This is approved also with the wrench on the back. I love it.
Yep.
And my buddy said he has this whole setup. I have both sides of this. So all he needs is this. Look at this. This thing, look at that thing is rusted. It runs great, dude. I love it. I got some good video of him jamming in this. I wanted to show you guys. Look at these wheels. This looks like somebody made this in their garage. Bro, these are absolutely awesome. Wow. I love it. Nice rig. Dude, this is authentic, okay? You cannot buy this.
One of you have your phone.
I don't care who you are. You can't buy that.
No.
You have all the money in the world,
You gotta earn it.
and you cannot buy this paint. Look at this thing was sitting with that in the shade. The sun came up on this side. I absolutely love it. Look at this. That's like a empty brake line there. Yeah, I love this paint. Look at, he had a little brake blowout one day. Lost all that paint. Oh, look at this thing. This is the real rig right here. That's all you need, boys, to have a good time out here.